The theater goers of the world once again select their favorite film star. The famous Quigley poll reveals that for the 4th consecutive time, Shirley Temple has been chosen the world's most popular personality. And now, to celebrate this precedent-shattering achievement, the queen of the screen will be seen in her first Technicolor triumph, The Little Princess, hailed as her greatest motion picture. A mighty cinema cavalcade of tears and triumphs, heartbreak and happiness, pomp and pageantry, all surging to thrilling reality in the breathtaking beauty of enthralling Technicolor. With a magnificent cast headed by Richard Green, Anita Louise, Ian Hunter, Cesar Romero, Arthur Treacher.
You're learning me by heart, little Sarah.
No, Daddy. I know you by heart. You're inside my heart.
Rose, something's wrong. What is it?
Miss Minchin's taken away my Thursday afternoons.
But why?
We must have been seen together.
Well, does that mean that I can never see you alone again?
Of course not, darling. No matter what Miss Minchin says, we'll find a way.
I'll keep a sharp lookout whenever the wounded come in.
You don't really believe he'll ever come, do you?
Yes, yes, of course I do. I've told you missing men often turn up.
Then I better come. You might not know him if you were very much changed.
All right, dear. You come.
Goodbye, Mr. Birdie.
Goodbye, dear.
Do you feel that? Yes, miss. What do you see? All I see's a fire, miss. And a table with food on it, and a rug, and a lamp, and slippers. I do indeed, miss. How did it all get here? Did you pretend it into happening? I don't know. I never pretended as good as this before.
And topping all the thrills of this topmost Shirley Temple triumph is the dream sequence of The Little Princess, the most gorgeous fantasy ever filmed, featuring Shirley and her beauty ballet. 20th Century Fox proudly presents one of Darryl F. Zanuck's mightiest motion picture masterpieces, superbly directed by Walter Lang. Guaranteed to be great and glorious entertainment for everyone, everywhere.